Hello guys, we are from Pearlock team. We have expertise in software development, trading and finance consulting segment. Currently, as people are under severe financial stress due to COVID-19 and are looking for alternate source of income, we understand your needs and came up with a trading solution for you which requires less investment and less of your effort. As a trader, you know how challenging the trading is. So, we are launching new trade robot which will do auto trades, same as trades done by a manual trader. The aim is to eliminate the fear psychology arises during trades by replacing manual trades with automated trading. This robot is designed by expert engineers with financial consulting, which went under various testing scenarios and passed all of them. We combine all available technology in the current industry and coming up in front of you at a level where common man can participate in the market. In this video, we will show the complete setup of our auto trading robot. Now let's see backtest report of our trading system. The system is carried over for the currency pair Euro USD for a capital of $100 and the time frame is 15 minutes candles. Duration of testing is 1 year. Validation criteria is Monte Carlo. The broker which we are working with is OctaFX. If you see the back test statistics, we have started with $100 and it's yielded at the end $13,503. And the average HPR is 0.05, average position length is 3 bars, the back test quality is 100%, balance line stability is 92.98. So as you see, the most important thing here we can see max drawdown is 30.88%. The maximum consecutive loss is 19 trades and months on profit, that's 100%. That means every month we are able to book profit. And finally, the net balance is 13,502.78 USD. The net profit is 13,402.78 USD. So cumulatively, if you see, the profit per day is 31.87 US dollars. So monthly wise split up says in any month we never had a loss. Every month it ended with profit. So the drawdown is, as I said, almost 30% in the beginning, and it nearly ended with very less drawdown. As I said, verification method is Monte Carlo, which says what are the best case scenario and the worst case scenarios. So within 1 year for $100, at any point of time, the worst case yields is more than 4,970. So almost $5,000 is your profit. Now let us see steps for setting up your robot. The first step is to have a VPS server, or you can run in your PC also. Why we need VPS server? Since we are running the robot all the time, it should be up and running throughout the day and night for effective results. So if you use our PC, it can have some issues with respect to power or network connection. So that is the reason we recommend you to use a VPS server. Next step is opening OctaFS account. Why we choose OctaFX? OctaFX is one of the forex broker that has good results in financial market. The best trading conditions, lowest spread, lowest capital required, deposit and withdrawals are fast. A lot of traders are using OctaFX from a very long time. You can click this link which I'll give in the description and can open the OctaFX account. And after you verify your documentation, you will be ready to trade. Once you have VPS server and have opened the OctaFS account, you can install MT4 tool and launch the tool. For installing, I'll give you the link in the description. Now I have logged in to my VPS server and I'm in the download link. So once you download, so you can download the MT4 from the website and you can install the same. So once you have installed, you can launch the OctaFX. So once you have, you can open the Euro USD, and by then, if you have our the Pearlock robo which we have designed, so which will be delivered in mail, or you can request the same. So I will provide the link in the description to do so. You can go to file, you can open data folder, you can go to MT4 and experts. This is where all the expert advisors will be. I had then I will copy this expert advisor and I will paste it here. And once you come to the MT4 under expert advisor, you right click and do a refresh. You see it magically appears. So once you have, you can just drag and drop, and then this is the position sizing settings. So entry loss, stop loss, and take profit, these are configurable, and you can use the recommended configuration based on the Excel sheet that will provide. So you can say OK, and then it's OK. So before that, one important thing is you have to make auto trading on. So if it is off, you will see the Pearlock robot will show you the smiley is sad smiley. The moment you make it, trading is on, and then the smiley is basically it smiles. That means you are ready for trade, or the robot is ready to trade. So that's all you have to do, and keep it open for all throughout the week for trades to happen. For more information, visit our website www.parlakinv.com. Here you will see all the links that are required for opening the account, for registering demo trading robot, and for free VPS account opening. Also, you will see more about us and the FAQs that our partners ask. And also, this FAQs will enable you to understand why we use VPS, why we use a particular broker called OctaFX, and some information regarding uh, the forex trading. Thanks for watching.